This is my pine cone syrup recipe using coconut sugar. I wanted to use a sugar alternative, as so many of you are asking. This was one I made last year with muscovado sugar, and it took about 6 weeks to get to a syrup, but then I left it to ferment and the flavour profiles to change. This was a quick cook version, and this recipe is on my page, and this is the early stages of a raw fermented version, and you can see the life in it, but I used caster sugar because I wanted something more neutral in colour for cooking purposes. But collect your pine cones. They should be nice and squishy like this. It doesn't matter if they're bigger, as long as you can crush them and they're soft. These were Scots pine cones. And then you just need to layer your sugar and green pine cones up in a jar. I'm using about 500 grams of pine cones to about a kilo of coconut sugar. Close that down and leave that for about 6 weeks. And you can shake it about once a week, and the sugar will pull the moisture out of the pine cones, creating this delicious immune boosting syrup. And we'll revisit this in 6 weeks' time.